Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. iPhones have had in the past some safety problems when it comes to stolen devices, but Apple took a big step forward with the new security feature in iOS 17.3. In this video, I'll show you how to enable this feature, as I highly recommend turning it on to protect your device. Let's go. A new feature designed to add an extra layer of protection for your iPhone iOS 17.3 is stolen device protection. In the past, you could easily access everything when you have access to the phone and iPhone passcode. A thief could turn off Find My, making it impossible to track the device's location. They could also wipe the device clean, removing all personal data and making it ready for resale. Access to your Apple ID could be compromised, potentially leading to misuse of your account and associated services. A thief could also change your passcode, leaving you unable to recover it. They would then have access to everything in your Apple keychain, potentially your bank logins, and the ability to make payments through Apple Pay. Here's a list of what Stolen Device Protection, or SDP, prevents. A successful Face ID or Touch ID scan is needed to perform the actions listed above. Even if the thief knows your passcode, there is a mandatory waiting period before critical security settings can be changed. This gives you time to potentially locate the device or report it stolen. There are some interesting documentaries about what methods thieves were using. I copied in another interesting link in the description below where Apple now reacted to these safety problems. This feature on your device, if enabled, ensures that only you can control your iPhone and Apple ID, even if someone steals your phone and knows your passcode. It requires your fingerprint or face to do anything important. To enable stolen device protection, make sure you're on iOS 17.3 or later. To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Keep in mind that you need enough storage space left and a stable Wi-Fi connection to successfully install an iOS update. Also, bear in mind that some older iPhone models are not able to install the latest software updates. To check if your device is compatible, click the tag in the upper right corner. The next thing to do is to set up two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This is required for stolen device protection. To enable, go to Settings and tap on Apple ID. Select Sign In and Security. Then enable two-factor authentication. Now, to enable stolen device protection, on your device settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. For authentication, type in your passcode. Scroll down and toggle on Stolen Device Protection. Enabling this one feature gives you much greater peace of mind knowing that your iPhone and accounts are more secure. It's worth the extra layer of protection. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.